How to share files from Android to PC. If you're wondering how to share files from Android to PC, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and connect your USB to your laptop. So once you do that, go ahead and click on this. So on your phone, it'll show you no data transfer, file transfer, and transfer photos. So click on File Transfer. And here you'll see your phone pop up right here. So click on that and go to where your file is that you want to share. So if I go to this and go to any of the files, so if I go to music and I want to copy this file to my laptop, then just right click on it and click on copy, and then go to where you want to paste this. So if I go to my music inside of my PC and right click on this and click on paste, you can see that I have successfully copied my file from Android to PC.